Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play FC25 early in 20 September. So if you want to play it on 20th of September, then you can download the EA app, create your account or log in to already existing one, then we'll be able to find the game right here in the launcher. And you can either buy the Ultimate Edition or just pay the subscription for EA Play Pro, and that way you'll be able to play the game on 20 of September on 6 a.m. at my time. It's a Warsaw time, if you're wondering. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.